Hey guys, I just came back from tripping all over Townsville just to suss out what's happening with this crazy weather event. We haven't had anything like this since 2019, so it does give off those kind of vibes. Not saying what happened in 2019 is going to happen here, but hey, you never know. So this is the Saturday of open Barra season. Everyone's plans, I'm assuming, went down the toilet. As did mine. I had a whole strategy mapped out. It did not obviously go to plan, so this is a very boring video just to give you something to watch, just in case you're kicking back at home on the couch and you're bored like me and you want something to watch. So it'll be good as well in the years to come, just to look back, just to show what actually happened in 2025. So there is a lot happening at the moment, so please stay indoors, stay safe. When I filmed this, we were out this morning. There wasn't any closures or anything like that, but there now is. The beaches are closed, and other places are closed as well. So if you don't need to be going outside, don't go outside. All right, guys. See ya. Enjoy the video. Have a good one. Far out. Haven't seen it like this for a while. There'd be fish just there, you know. Gone over that pipe. There's a pipe there, eh? Yeah, I haven't seen it like this for a while. Wow, look at that. That looks crazy. Check this out, guys. This is insane. I haven't seen it like this for a while. The lake has burst its banks. Wow. Check this out. Look at that. Over the footbridge down there. Pumping out, eh? Whenever this water drops, like in a week or whenever it is, it becomes a good Barra spot here, eh? Just drop this in, I'm on straight away. Oh, hang on, I'm just going to let him load up to it. There he goes. He wants that bad. He was on it. He was on it. Oh man. Getting waxed, bro. Small Barra. Chuck one on if you want. They're here. Check this out, guys. This is hectic. That's pumping over. Looks like it, eh?